It's dark under there. It's dark in here, too. Now there's Stick and Click lights, the battery-operated LED lights that you peel, then stick and click for instant light anywhere. No tools, no dangerous wires, and no complicated installation. Just peel, stick, and click for quick, easy light anywhere. Use Stick and Click to brighten all your dark spaces. Light up the inside of a drawer or instantly illuminate a cabinet or pantry. They're perfect for brightening up a dim counter. Just stick and click for bright white lights. And best of all, each light runs up to 100 hours on one set of batteries. So Stick and Click is there when you need it. By the bedside, nothing's easier than Stick and Click. And if you want light in places you normally couldn't, you can depend on the power and versatility of Stick and Click. Light up dark closets. Use Stick and Click in the basement or the attic for instant light. And if the power goes out, Stick and Click twists off for use as an emergency flashlight by the front door, in a shed or a garage, or even inside your car. They're great for camping because they stay bright for hours. And Stick and Click works great as an umbrella light. They're even small enough to fit in a purse so you can take them anywhere. And they can even light up and accent your favorite collectibles. An electrician can cost over $100